Oh, yan. It's installing. Sa app market ako nag-install. May sariling market kasi yung ito. So, it's so fast. Look. 3.2 MB left. Okay, it's installing. Installing.
Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Share your popular. Okay. Add a phone number. So I have my LuvLine 0. My LuvLine. Alright. Baby Abs, I'm here. At i-install ko na yung TikTok. Ayun. Buti na lang pinin mo na yung link. I'll be installing TikTok. So this is the TikTok. Shout out Abs family and Moon family. Sabi ko open up. I cannot open up. Wala pala akong app. So I'm going to download TikTok. Where is it? Download TikTok. Tada! Ba't hindi ma-download? Download. Tap download TikTok. From Google Play or App Market. Sige, Google Play na lang ako muna. So it's opening. Google Play and install. Dali lang. Follow that link and install. Install TikTok. Then download TikTok. Try again. Got it. Why? Install. See common ways to fix. Say something's wrong. Common way to fix the problem. Troubleshooting step. Check if you have a strong Wi-Fi. Troubleshoot only one app. Only one app. Check the app is available for your device. Let me see. Like that. I have my apps. Nasaan ba yung apps ko? App Market. Sige. Hanap na lang ako ng TikTok dito sa App Market. Categories. Must have. Ayun. Install TikTok. 218 KB lang naman Ay, yung TikTok wallpaper pala yan. Sige, TikTok. Hanapin ko yung TikTok. TikTok Lite. TikTok 87 MB. Sige, install. Let's try if it will install. Yan, it's installing. Sa App Market ako nag-install. May sariling market kasi yung ito. So, it's so fast. Look. 3.2 MB left. Mas gusto ng cellphone ko yung dito sa App Market. Okay, it's installing. Installing. Baby Abs. I'm installing TikTok. Okay, it's done and open. Opening the app. Videos to make your day. Okay. 500? What's that? Invite a friend to TikTok by tapping agree and continue. What's that? You can withdraw cash or top up your mobile. Invite a friend to TikTok and get up to 500. You can withdraw cash on top up your mobile. What's that? Maybe later. Sige na nga. How is it? Okay, I'm not logged in yet. I'm not logged in. You must be at least 18 years old to continue. Okay, continue. Use your phone. Continue with Google. Sige, Google ako. Continue with Google. Account. Sige. Account. Using my Google account. Tadan. Already have an account? Log in. Oh no. You must be at least. Continue. What? LuvLine 0. Your account logged in from your device. What? What's LuvLine 0? What does it mean? Ano ba yun? Oh no. Enter invite code to get cash rewards available for few sign-ups only. Invite code? What's my invite code? You're not able to enter invite code because it's on available for new sign-ups to earn cash rewards. You can participate. Okay. So where's my account? Where's my account? Skip video. Start watching. I'm not watching. Wait. I'm not watching muna. Oh, come on. Ay, what's this? Where's my profile? Oh no. Where's my home? Friends. Do I have friends? Teka. View your friends. Contacts. Find your friends' posts. You can change your account, how your account is suggested to others. Suggest your account to others at any time. Okay. Allow TikTok to allow. Teka lang. Give TikTok access. Okay. Facebook friends. Wait. Maybe I created another account. You previously logged into TikTok with Facebook. Okay. Would like to continue? Sige. Continue ko. Log in using Facebook. Let me see. Follow your friends. Teresa Basarte. Ay, ba't ganun? Is this a new account? Teka muna, log out ako. Inbox. LuvLiNes. Oh no, Ogie Mendez. Okay. Started following you. LuvLiNes 1. Started following you. Oh no, ano ba yung account ko? I forgot. What's my account here? LuvLiNes 0. Share your popular. Okay. The phone number. So I have my LuvLiNes 0. Where LuvLiNes 0? Share your popular photo. The most popular photo. Oh, I'm using the app. So record audio. Huh? Upload a photo. Allow. Okay. Okay lang. Your story. Next. What's next? Ano ba? What's this? 10 minutes video. How about hosting this one? Hindi pala yung video. Hindi. Teka lang. But, discard. Nasaan na ba yung videos ko? Videos. Let me see. Hindi. Hanap ako ng video. Videos, photos. Twinning. Sabi natin.
Alinang sayo,
Twinning.
Alinang sayo, ito akin.
So, ano? Done. Ayun, done. Okay.
Alinang sayo,
And then, next. Ayun. Twinning lang. English auto-generated captions will be shown on your videos. Okay. And then, describe. Twinning. Hashtags. Twinning. Hashtag LuvLiNes. Hashtag What else? Video. Okay. And then, tapos na. Who can watch this video, everyone? Allow through it, ah? Okay. Meron pala, automatically share too. Allow high quality uploads. Add to home screen, touch and hold, trace, manually, TikTok camera. I'm not going to add. And then, teka lang, I'm going to follow na baby ads. Oh no. Paano ba ito? LuvLiNes 0. Paano nga ba yun? Friends. I'm going to look friends. Hala.
Magandang araw mga kapatid.
Profile. Friends. Ay, profile. Wait. Profile. Nasaan na yun? I saw someone. Teka lang. Friends. Friends.
Alirang sa'yo, ito akin.
Wala, hindi ka nakakita. Wait. I'm looking for my friends.
Alirang
Profile. Hindi ka. How am I going to find my friends? Ano ba yung peso na yan? Aalis tayo kung wala kang pasok. Ito na. Invite. Invite. Facebook. Ayun. Anong sasabihin ko? Invite. Join na. Okay. And then, ano bang gagawin ko? Share your feedback by participating in rewards activities you agree to our terms and conditions. Ano kayang gagawin? What's next? Okay, so I'm going to open again YouTube para makita ko yung link ni Baby Ads. Where is Baby Ads? Please get started. I'm going to my community. Ayan. Live pa si Michael. Live pa si Baby Ads. Live din si Dinay. Let me see the link. Ayan. Punta ako sa link. And then, ayan, following. I'm following on, and then I'm going to open in the app. Following siya doon. I'm confused. Facebook. Follow. I'm following. Mali. Hindi pala ako nakafollow doon sa isa. So, where is it? Ayan. Send to Risa, kaway-kaway. And then, nasan yung shop? Pinned. Yeah, this one I pinned. Oh, I'm shopping na. Good morning, thank you. Asan na yung shop? Ito ba yung shop? Sorry. Where's the shop? Asan na yung shop? Yes, I'm looking for the shop. Ayun. Wait. I'm looking for the shop. I've seen it earlier. Nasaan na? Ba't nawala? Okay. So, this is what's this. Ayan, pinned videos. Tama ba? Videos ba to? And then this one, ang shop. Okay, and then the heart. Alright. I can see it.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.